Hello, ladies and gentlemen. At today's conference, allow me to present my research entitled Digital Marketing and Business Development of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises, or MSMEs, DAPURMAMIMA. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Rani Puspita, and I am a lecturer at Binus University. This paper presented by me and assessed by my colleague, Cindy Rahayu. Okay, the outline for today's presentation includes introduction. I will explain the background and problems in the research. Methodology, I will explain the method used in this research. Discussion to discuss research results and conclusions about whether the objectives have been achieved in the research results. Okay, let's start with introduction. According to the research in the last 8 years, MSMEs entrepreneurs have continued to increase from 52.9 million to 59 million. The Ministry of Cooperative and MSMEs note that in the 3 years of President Joko Widodo's administration, the ratio of entrepreneurs to Indonesia's population has increased from 1.56% in 2014 to 3.1% at the end of 2016. The thing that has the most influence on the continued growth of MSMEs in Indonesia is the size of consumption. The consumptions is not only a factor in the growth of MSMEs, but also about economic growth. In the same period, the growth of MSMEs in Indonesia was also driven by advance in digital technology. This digital technology makes it easier for the consumer best described above to access these MSMEs. In the last 5 years, internet penetrations in Indonesia has increased from 82 million to 143 million. Judging from the type of business, one of the large type of MSMEs business is the food or culinary industry. Therefore, because our main target is MSMEs, and according to the research results, the large and most influential MSMEs are MSMEs in culinary sector. Therefore, my college and I decided to choose the DAPURMAMIMA MSMEs in the culinary sector. Okay, the various limitations faced by DAPURMAMIMA MSMEs include lack of development. The owner feels that her business is just there, decreasing during COVID, then increasing again after COVID, but there is no big clip to make the business more bigger, and then lack of knowledge to make the business more bigger. Like she has fear of the risk and being in a comfort zone because she can pay employees, and also seems to be able to fulfill her desire to work, and then conventional and lack of use the technology. And then this is the methodology. The main phase is preparation phase, which is divided into three parts: observations, meeting, and then model arrangement, and then implementation phase, which is divided into two parts: PKM program socialization, and then PKM training and counseling for MSMEs, and then monitoring and evaluation stage. Okay, this is based on the problem and observation made by researchers. The research results obtained were in the form of digital marketing training and counseling for DAPURMAMIMA, training provided by a research person regarding content creation. And this is sector and detail that you can C, technology and business. We hope that DAPURMAMIMA will increase knowledge about digital marketing for MSMEs. And then in the human resource sector, um, they can manage the team better and then starting to create social media account like Instagram, TikTok Shop, Shopee, and others, and then create a website domain. And this is the conclusions about our research. This research used several methods, including preparation stage, implementation, and then monitoring and evaluation stage. The preparation stage is divided into three parts, namely observations, meetings, and model preparations. Then the implementation stage is divided into two parts, including program socialization and then implementation of training and counseling. Then the final stage is monitoring and evaluation. The research of this research found several important things, including increasing knowledge about digital marketing for the Purwama MSMEs, being able to manage team better, starting to create social media, and then also creating a website domain, which turns out to be very important for product branding for this MSMEs. And then, okay, this is all I can say to all of you. If you have any question, you can email me at rani.puspita@binus.ac.id to or to my college cindy.rahayu@binus.ac.id. Okay, that's all. Thank you.